Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find overlay templates on the FilmMaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the first page, and if you want to start a new project, click to the new project button. But in the project section you can find your old videos and projects. Actually, if you want to search and find different templates, for example overlay templates, click to the asset library option at the upper side of the screen, and here go to the lower bar and click to the overlay option, and here you can find overlays. Click that and you can add to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.